How's it going, everyone? Today we have the latest iPhone. Here is my 16, as you can see here, 16 Pro Max. We're going to be upgrading, actually we're going to be downgrading, because my previous one is a Max version and this one is not a Max. And I'll tell you guys in a bit why I downgraded from a Max to a non-Max version. And yep, I went with the blue color. I actually wanted the black version, but Apple decided not to make a black version this time, which makes zero sense because I know everybody wants a black version. Let's get this open up. Come on. There we go. Wow, now that design, okay, that looks kind of weird. 16 Pro Max, and you guys can see the size difference between the Pro and the Pro Max. And wow, it looks really different. Because my previous 15 was actually the same blue color. Oh, it just feels so much lighter compared to the Pro, of course. Let's peel this open. Alright, the smaller iPhone size does feel nicer. Actually, I feel like this color is a bit more of a purple compared to the previous blue. Definitely much lighter in the hand. Edges are definitely much more rounded. I can feel how these corners are way more rounded than the previous phone. Yep, we have the bottom. I think that everything else is kind of the same. Let's see if we get this turned on and then we get it set up. Transfer all my data over. We have the wires. Of course, Apple giving more charging brick, which is annoying because this phone can now charge up to 40 watts, and we have a power brick that can do that, so that's annoying. And then the SIM card adapter tool. Not really gonna use that. I used my previous one. Well, actually, I'm gonna sell this one, so I'll probably use this actually. And yeah, so let's get this powered on. 3. Yeah, that's pretty clean. I actually am on iOS, the new iOS on this phone as well. My battery's been draining like crazy, which is actually super annoying, so I'm hoping this will help. Even though it's a smaller battery, I feel like the optimization and the liquid cooling should definitely help. Alright, let's get this up. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah. One thing I'm also noticing, like the bezels are just so much thicker. Probably because I came from a bigger phone. I don't know if you guys can see the bezels. It just feels much more bigger compared. Okay, let's leave that. Default. Yes, I want to set it up. Using a wire will probably be much more faster. Let's see. Yeah, the weight difference is definitely something I'm happy with. But yeah, I think it is slightly thicker. I don't know if it's hard to, if you guys can tell, but maybe the rounded corners make it slightly less, but that'll take some time to activate. The reason I went with a smaller phone is because like I literally can't open up. My phone can't reach the top corner. I just have to use 2 hands. Or I have to like slide my hand up when I do it one-handed, you know? Transfer absent here from another iPhone. Okay. And I do have a case, a temporary case. I'll just show it here. This is just a temporary case because I did order another case that's not going to come in time, so I'd rather keep my phone safe until my next case comes. You guys can see it here on screen. I just saw it and like, it caught my eye. It's called the A17 something. I'll link it down below in case you guys are interested in the case. They'll have it for the previous iPhones as well. Alright, let's see what the transfer. So we're going to transfer apps and data, Siri, wallet, Apple Watch. Perfect. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. There you go. Okay, this may take some time. This is a basic case. Now I have a black iPhone. Yeah, look at that, guys. It's saying it's gonna take. Oh my god. It's gonna take about 9 hours. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.